In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off dark mode in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. For method number 1, click File, click Account, and look for Office Theme. Mine is set to black, select it once, and you're going to find white. Select that. It should now instantly turn back to the white theme. Click the backward arrow at the top to go back to your document. If this method didn't work, click File, click Options, click General. Then navigate down to personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. I'm going to look for Office Theme, select the downward arrow and move it to white. And then click OK. If those methods didn't work, it could be because your system is overriding Microsoft Word. We can check this. Go to Settings in your computer, then click Personalization. Then we're going to look for colors. Select this once. Then we're going to choose your mode. Mine's set to light. It could be because yours is set to dark. Keep it to light and then click Exit when you're happy. In some cases, those methods won't work. This could be because you have focus mode on. Click View and see if focus mode is enabled. Click it once to disable it. If you want dark mode enabled, but the document to stay white, you can do this. Click File, click Options. Then keep Office Theme as black, but select the checkbox next to Never Change the Document Page Color. This will tell the Word document to stay white. Select it once, then click OK. Now you have dark mode, but your page document is white. If you're using Microsoft Word online, then we need to use a different method. Click View and look for dark mode. Simply click it once to disable it. If this video has helped you turn off dark mode in Microsoft Word, give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you learn more about dark mode and other styles in Microsoft Word, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.